Okay, good evening class. So, i-discuss ko sa inyo ngayon kung bakit napakadali ng ating quiz. And maraming nga naka-perfect kanina, so congratulations. So, 5,500,003 and so on. Those are the gross income and May to June and July to December. Now, let's proceed to number 1. Number 1, assume the same data and accept that the taxpayer is a non-resident citizen, meaning energy siya noon and bumalik siya sa Pilipinas kailan? July. Okay? Yun po ang una mong gagawin. I-determine mo kung ano ang classification niya. Kailan siya bumalik? That is July to December. Kung bumalik siya dito, anong classification niya? Resident citizen. And dito naman, siya ay NRC, non-resident citizen, kasi wala pa siya Pilipinas. Kailan siya bumalik? July pa lang siya bumalik. So that is resident citizen. Okay, ito yung shortcut na kailangan nyong gawin. Hanapin nyo ang net income ng bawat isa. Okay, net income ng bawat isa. Okay. Unahin natin yung madali. 3 million minus 2 million. That is 1 million. Okay. And 20 million minus 15 million. That is 5 million. And 14 million minus 18 million. That is 6 million pesos. Forget peso sign, the peso sign, and the peso sign. Okay, madali lang, di ba? Kahit hindi natin ito mag-calculator, ang galing-galing natin. Joke lang. Okay? To make sure, 3 minus 2, that is 1 million. 20 minus 15, that is 5 million. And 14 minus 8, that is 6 million. Para sigurado tayo. Okay? Next, we have, dito na yung paggamit natin ng detalyado. 550, 0, 0, 0, 3. That is 5,503 and 3 pesos minus 2, 3, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0. That is 319, 3,199, 983. Okay, kung mapapansin mo, same lang po yung nasa baba natin. That is 3,199, 983. Same lang ng nasa taas. Okay, talk natin yan. And dito. How about the Philippines? 250, 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, minus 1, 4, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Equal to 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 9. And same lang siya ng nasa baba. 0, 0, and 0, 9. Tingnan nga natin. 250, 0, 10, 0. Minus 1, 4, 0, 0, 0, 1. Tama ang ating sagot. 1,109 pesos. And sa baba na tayo. 2050. 120 minus 1020 000. That is equal to 1 million and 1030 120 20550 120 minus 1020 123 1030 120. Tama, sigurado ang ating sagot. And 3 million minus 1200 050 is equal to 1799 1799 950. Check natin. 3 million minus 1200 050 1799 50. Okay, balik tayo sa tanong. RC siya kasi bumalik siya noong July. And NRC siya kasi wala pa siya sa Pilipinas. Yan, ito naman ang next mong gagawin. Saan taxable ang NRC? Philippines only. Ito lang ang kailangan natin. Ito, saan taxable ang resident citizen? Within and without. So, kailangan natin ito. Now, 1. Lagyan na natin below kasi hindi siya nakakalayan. Ito, at ito. Bakit again? Because these are within and without. And this is within only. Okay? Now we can solve the problem. Number 1. Just adding the total net income kasi yun ang magiging taxable income natin. 1100009 11009 times mo lang sa 2 kasi pareho man lang yan. 2200018 and add mo na ang 1030 120 plus 1799 950 plus 6 million. Okay, sagot natin ay equal to number 1 is equal to 1,030,088. That is 5 points. Add natin ulit, double check. 1,100,009 times 2. That is 2200018. And add mo lang yun ng 1,030, 120, and 1799,950 and 6,011,038. Tama tayo. Okay, kita na nyo yung number 2. Madali na lang natin itong masasolve. Okay, madali na lang itong isasolve natin. Bakit? Kasi papalitan lang natin ito. Okay. Okay, tama na yan. Okay. Bakit? Kasi una, magiging classification niya po ay aalis daw siya sa bansa, assuming the taxpayer is a resident and who left the country on July. Di ba pinapalitan ko sa inyo? Sabi ko sa inyo, July yan, July. Okay? Kasi pasok lang naman siya sa July to December. Pero para detalyado tayo. Ginawa natin itong di ba July. Okay, July. Ano ang classification niya noong July kung bumalik siya sa Pilipinas? Ay, umalis siya sa Pilipinas. Dati siyang naninirahan sa Pilipinas. Umalis siya noong July. Kung umalis siya noong July at gusto niya doon magtrabaho, siya po ay magiging non-resident citizen. Okay? Non-resident citizen. And ito naman po ay siya po ay resident citizen dati. Okay? Now we can compute na ulit. Ayan, ganito lang yan. Saan taxable ang resident citizen? Within and without. Within and without. Okay, how about non-resident citizen? Within only. Okay, kukulayan natin kung ano yung mga kailangan natin i-add. Ito, at ito. And ito. Within only. Kasi nasa Philippines, diba? Philippines, Canada, Singapore. Okay? Now, let's try to add 3,199. 3,199,983 times 2. So that is 63996 plus 1,100,009 plus 1,100,009 plus 1 million plus 5 million. That is 14,599,884. Okay. 14,599,884. And i-add natin yung 1,799,50. Oops, may nalagay tayong kakaiba. Okay, 3,199,983 times 2, that is 639,966, and plus 1 1 0 0 0 0 9 plus 1 1 0 0 0 0 9. Okay, then plus 1 million plus 5 million 14 5 9 9 9 8 4, then add not 1 7 9 9 9 50. Okay, tama na. 16 3 9 9 4. 9 3 4. Okay. That is our answer. And number 2. Check natin para sigurado. 3199983 times 2. Memory plus na. Try natin yung memory plus para sigurado. 3199983 times 2 memory plus and 1100009 times 2 memory plus and 1 million plus 5 million memory plus and memory recall 14,599,984 tama, and plus 1799,950. Okay, tama ang ating sagot. Again, sa mga gustong ng shortcut kung paano ginagamit yung memory plus and memory recall, gano'n lang po ang paggamit. Memory plus, pag gusto mo ilagay sa memory ng calculator para hindi ka na agad makakonsume ng time. And then you add again, then memory plus. Then if you want to get the final answer, you just need to click the memory recall. Okay. So ihati-hatiin natin tong part na to para hindi naman sa inyo redundant. Okay. So this is the part 1 of your quiz, and probably baka lumabas ulit sa exam. Okay, thank you and see you in the next part. Bye-bye. Di ba iba yung boses ko?